guys, happy new year. Woo, it's 2023. Welcome back to my channel, guys. This year is gonna be a banger, y'all. So if you guys want to stay tuned to my videos, just make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. This video is gonna be me doing my first video of the year. Woo, happy new year's. We're gonna be cleaning my room. I'm gonna show you guys, like, you know, all the clothes that's in my closet. I'm gonna organize it, then I'm gonna step out and go to the store and just, you know, upgrade my room just a little bit, you know, have a little cute little style to it, you feel me? So this is all my clothes right here. So I'm about to organize it, get rid of all the old clothes, small clothes that doesn't fit me, and just make room and make space for all the new clothes, y'all. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, click on the notification bell, and just stay tuned.
Touching young, saying the I, babe. I should sweeter, sweeter than your Kool-Aid. I'm sweeter, and you know it. Say I, babe. Sugar sweeter, I can be a Kool-Aid. You know, anybody said the corner store. Hit the lotto. Ooh, dress cleaner than a Sunday. I'm good like gelato. Like a caddy with the roof off. You told me be quiet, baby, be cool. Baby, me feel like sativa. I call him high school. Ain't a bad yellow bone. Tastes better when it's homemade and grown. Babe, I sugar sweeter than your Kool-Aid. I'm sweeter, and you know it. Say touching young, saying the I, babe. I sugar sweeter than your Kool-Aid. I'm sweeter, and you know it. Say I, babe. Sugar sweeter, I can be a Kool-Aid. You know, anybody said the corner store.
What's up, y'all boys? I know y'all see me cleaning my room and stuff like that, you know. So right now I currently, you know, on my way to the plaza, because, you know, I'm trying to clean my room and my closet. So I'm going to find some things for like the bathroom. I'm going to switch, you know, the bathroom around, buy some new, you know, curtains, the carpets, and, you know, and I've still got to like find some, you know, new hangers, you know, because I got a lot of clothes I'm trying to get rid of in my closet. So I'm trying to buy some new hangers in the plaza. So that's why I'm going there. I'm on my way to Marshall's, City Trends, and maybe Burlington. So I'm gonna go there now. So y'all stay tuned and just make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe.
Dress cleaner than a Sunday. I'm good like gelato. Like a caddy with the roof off. You told me be quiet, baby, be cool. Baby, me feel like sativa. I call him high school. Ain't a bad yellow bone. Tastes better when it's homemade and grown. Sweeter than your Kool-Aid. I'm sweeter, and you know it. Say I,
But y'all, they ain't have what I was looking for in Marshall's, but I bought like a few things, you know, in Marshall's. Damn, can I go up? Yeah. So I'm about to go to City Trends to find what I'm looking for. You know, City Trends always got all the good stuff. You know, they're all cheap and whatnot. But I was gonna record while I was in there, but I'm like, nah. So let me just drive right quick. I see y'all. Hopefully you guys can see me. But yeah, I see y'all on the flip side. Yeah, they don't got nothing in here. I'm looking for like blankets and stuff and carpet. They ain't got nothing. So I'm gonna try to go to Burlington. So I'll see y'all there. Hey, y'all miss me driving in the car? You ain't me to just be singing. So now I'm back at the crib, y'all. Look at all these clothes behind me. Anyways, I went to Marshall's. I didn't go to get to go to Burlington, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got from the store. I got the Shiseido $2.99 cotton pads, and I got some makeup wipes. You know, I gotta remove some makeup, you know, when it's time for me to take them off my face, the makeup, you feel me? Anyways, yeah, and I also bought some candle from, you know, Marshall's DW Home, my favorite candles. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna show you guys here in the clip. And yeah, it's called, well, apple cider sweet caramel apple cider. I love it. It smells like cinnamon. It smells so good. You know, Valentine's Day is around the corner, so you know I have to hook my room up a little bit, you feel me? So make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram. It's gonna be down in the description down below. Of course, I got my Mie color treated shampoo conditioner, you feel me? So yeah, just make sure you guys subscribe, and let's get back into organizing my closet.
Feel like I just hit the lotto. Ooh, dress cleaner than a Sunday. I'm good like gelato. Like a caddy with the roof off. You told me be quiet, baby, be cool. Baby, make me feel like sativa. I call him high school. Ain't a bad pair of yellow bone. Tastes better when it's homemade and grown. I sugar sweeter, sweeter than your Kool-Aid. I'm sweeter, and you know it. Saying that I sugar sweeter, sweeter than your Kool-Aid. I'm sweeter, and you know it. Said sugar sweeter, I can be a Kool-Aid. You know, anybody said to go to slow. Feel like I just hit the lotto. Ooh, dress cleaner than a Sunday. I'm good like gelato. Like a caddy with the roof off. You told me be quiet, baby, be cool. Baby, make me feel like sativa. I call him high school. Ain't a bad pair of yellow bone. Tastes better when it's homemade and grown. I sugar sweeter, sweeter than your Kool-Aid. I'm sweeter, and you know it. Sugar sweeter, I can be a Kool-Aid. You know, anybody said to go to slow. Ooh, babe, love how you put in the work like it's your day job. Ooh, babe, them dotted be dirty, I'm Aquafina. Ooh, baby, I got the flavor, the peach like I'm from Georgia. New hair, new braids. Need no Simone and a touch of Beyonce. Now I sugar sweeter, sweeter than your Kool-Aid. I'm sweeter, and you know it. Said sugar sweeter, I can be a Kool-Aid. You know, anybody said to go to slow. Feel like I just hit the lotto. Ooh, dress cleaner than a Sunday. I'm good like gelato. Like a caddy with the roof off. You told me be quiet, baby, be cool. Baby, me feel like sativa, I call him high school. Ain't a bad pair of yellow bone. Tastes better when it's homemade and grown. I sugar sweeter, sweeter than your Kool-Aid. I'm sweeter, and you know it. Say sugar sweeter, I can be a Kool-Aid. You know, anybody said to go to slow. Ooh, babe, love how you put in the work like it's your day job. Ooh, babe, them dotted be dirty, I'm Aquafina. Ooh, baby, I got the flavor, the peach like I'm from Georgia. New hair, new braids, need no Simone and a touch of Beyonce. Now I sugar sweeter than your Kool-Aid. I'm sweeter, and you know it. Say sugar sweeter, I can be a Kool-Aid. You know, anybody said to go to slow. Anybody said to go to sweeter than your Kool-Aid. Sugar sweeter, I can be a Kool-Aid. You know, anybody said. I'm tricky with the keys. Feel like I just hit the lotto. Ooh, dress cleaner than a Sunday. I'm good like gelato. Like a caddy with the roof off. You told me be quiet, baby, be cool. Baby, me feel like sativa, I call him high school. Ain't a bad pair of yellow bone. Tastes better when it's homemade and grown. I sugar sweeter than your Kool-Aid. I'm sweeter, and you know it. Say sugar sweeter, I can be a Kool-Aid. You know, anybody said to go to slow. Ooh, babe, love how you put in the work like it's your day job. Ooh, babe, them dotted be dirty, I'm Aquafina. Ooh, baby, I got the flavor, the peach like I'm from Georgia. New hair, new braids, need no Simone and a touch of Beyonce. Now I sugar sweeter than your Kool-Aid. I'm sweeter, and you know it. Say sugar sweeter, I can be a Kool-Aid. You know, anybody said to go to slow. Anybody said to go to Anybody said to go to sugar sweeter than your Kool-Aid. Sugar sweeter, I can be a Kool-Aid. You know, anybody said. I'm tricky with the keys. Feel like I just hit the lotto. Ooh, dress cleaner than a Sunday. I'm good like gelato. Like a caddy with the roof off. You told me be quiet, baby, be cool. Baby, me feel like sativa, I call him high school. Ain't a bad pair of yellow bone. Tastes better when it's homemade and grown. I sugar sweeter than your Kool-Aid. I'm sweeter, and you know it. Say sugar sweeter, I can be a Kool-Aid. You know, anybody said to go to slow. Anybody like I'm from Georgia. New hair, new braids. Need no Simone to touch a Beyonce. Now I sugar sweeter, sweeter than your Kool-Aid. I'm sweeter, and you know it. Say sugar sweeter, I can be a Kool-Aid. You know you ain't buy this at the corner store. Feel like I just hit the lotto. Ooh, dress cleaner than a Sunday. I'm good like gelato. Like a caddy with the roof off. You told me be quiet, baby, be cool. Baby, me feel like sativa. I call him high school. Ain't a bad, a yellow bone. Tastes better when it's homemade and grown. I'm sugar sweeter than your Kool-Aid. I'm sweeter, and you know it. Say sugar sweeter, I can be a Kool-Aid. You know you ain't buy this at the corner store. Ooh, babe, love how you put in the work like it's your day job. Ooh, babe, them dotted be dirty, I'm Aquafina. Ooh, baby, I got the flavor, the peach like I'm from Georgia. New hair, new braids. Need no Simone to touch a Beyonce. Now I'm sugar sweeter than your Kool-Aid. I'm sweeter, and you know it.
So yeah, y'all, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. This is the end of the video. Of course, you guys see this single as fuck, you feel me? And I'm very extra, that's why I got those pillows, you feel me? So anyways, hope you guys enjoy this, vlog. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye.